Delete public profile Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to delete public profile on Snapchat is very simple. Open up the Snapchat application here, and then you can currently see that I'm logged into the account. So over here what you want to do is just simply tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then right here, if you basically scroll down, under it you'll find an option that says my public profile. So over here you could be able to see my public profile button. Just tap on it. Now to delete our public profile, tap on the three dots option from the top right hand side, then just scroll down. Here you'll find the option called clear public profile. Tap the clear public profile option, then tap on the clear button in order to clear that public profile. That's all it takes to delete public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.